Hi guys, Sat Sri Akal and welcome back to my channel. Finally वो time आ गया है to play dress up because the festive season have officially arrived. And of course, there could not have been a better place to shop for all of your festive needs than Amazon India's Great Indian Festival. I love sales and I think Amazon is my favorite one-stop shop. I'm sure it's yours too, for everything that concerns makeup, beauty, fashion, home, decor and so much more. So in my today's video, I'm going to show you my makeup haul featuring some of my most favorite and highly used products, which also help me create effortless looks. But most importantly, I got them on some great deals in the Amazon Great Indian Festival. So without further ado, I will show you the products that I picked up for myself, and also I will do a quick try on for you. The first product that I picked for myself is the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Plus Facial Serum. For those of you who follow me regularly on Instagram and YouTube would know कि मैं Vitamin C को काफ़ी advocate करती हूँ because it's a miracle potion. And I have also done a detailed review of this particular product in my previous videos. You can check that out. But guys, Amazon Great Indian Festival has some amazing variety and a huge range of vitamin C products for your skin. I love to use it especially in the morning because it hydrates my skin, and also I like to use it before I apply my makeup. The next product that I've picked up for myself is the Tri Sugar Ace of Base Foundation Stick. This is in shade 42 Glaze. So guys, I've been using this product for 2 years now and I absolutely love its coverage on my face. I'm going to also show you in a try on. But this is a great product if you want to quickly apply something on your face as a perfect base makeup. And of course, it's very easy to use. I love that Amazon Great Indian Festival has so many variety and combo deals for makeup and beauty products that you must continue to explore. The next product that I picked up is the Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me Pressed Powder. This is in shade 310 Sun Beige. So what's not to love about this product? I'm sure a lot of you must have used it, and in case you haven't, then please check out the Amazon Great Indian Festive Sale and find this perfect product for yourself. So I love this product for its natural poreless finish that it gives on my face, and of course it lasts for more than 12 hours. Okay, so the next product has my heart. So this is the L'Oreal Monocolor Powder Blush in shade Be Fierce. It's this really gorgeous peach color that I think is perfect for the Indian skin tone and for the festive season. You just apply a little bit of foundation, or you can even use the foundation stick, some pressed powder and this blush on, and you're good to go. So this is my favorite color, but you also have a shade in pink and you also have a highlighter, which I think is perfect for those who are looking for beautiful finished powder to top up their makeup, and you can get it all on the Amazon Great Indian Festival beauty category. The next product that I've picked up is this Plum All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. I call this the mother of all the kajals that are available right now because this is super long lasting and it's smudge proof. So the next product that I've picked up for myself to complete my makeup look is this Tri Sugar Matte Crayon in the shade number 1 Scarlet O'Hara. So not many of you would see me wear many nude colors and tones of pink, but when it comes to the festive season, I go all out and play with bold shades such as this, which is a beautiful tone of red. I think it's one lip shade that I swear by because it works with almost every ethnic ensemble that I wear. And guys, if you are into minimal makeup, then you maybe just want to highlight your lips, right? Because they look bright, they add color to your entire face, they highlight your facial features. So opting for a lip color like this is a perfect bet. And of course, if you want to experiment with more colors, then do not forget to check out the Amazon Great Indian Festive Sale because it has some amazing combo kits available for those of you who are looking for some great deals. And of course, then you have all these lipsticks, all these lip crayons available at your disposal. The last product that I've picked up is actually not a makeup product, but then I got it because I wanted to complete a makeup look for you all, and I actually really love these earrings and they were on a great discount. So these Zaveri stud earrings are something that I had been eyeing on for a long time, and I got them at a huge discount in the Amazon Great Indian Festival. So yes, for jewelry lovers, there is a whole lot of selection for you to be spoiled for choice. So guys, I sincerely hope that you liked my makeup haul and a little bit of jewelry haul. For those of you who are still looking for perfect gifting ideas for Diwali or to buy things for your own self, make sure to check out the Amazon Great Indian Festival. And guys, I'm going to link all the products in my description box. I will also leave a link to my Amazon store ID. From there you can see all of my recommendations regularly. And lastly, you know the drill. Make sure to stay safe, like, comment and subscribe. Follow me with my handle @GuiltyBites on Instagram. Until then, bye.